So I've been accused of being insane before, but it's officially official now because it's Sunday night / Monday morning. It's 1:37 in the morning, and I've suddenly decided that I want to make a catfish étouffée at 1:37. And look, I'm not cheating. There's like nothing on the stove. I've cooked nothing. I just decided I'm ready to eat now, again, because the coronavirus has robbed me of all space and time. So nothing makes sense. Days are night, nights are day. I'm not over the passing of Bill Withers, so I'm listening to him in the background. And I'm ready to make this étouffée without catfish because I couldn't find any. So it's going to be a flounder étouffée. We just go with what we got during the coronavirus quarantine. Let's do it. I'm starting out with the seasoning for the fish. I've got salt, cayenne, black pepper, and dried thyme. Flounder is in 4-inch pieces, and I seasoned it with half of my spice mixture. And then you just let it hang out. I season both sides. Over here I have some vegetable oil on a high heat. And I'm gonna add some flour to make a nice little roux. So I mix the flour into the vegetable oil, and I'm just stirring it until it gets to a nice brownish color. In the meantime, while I am listening to Bill Withers and working on my roux, I've got fish stock on warm in a separate pot. I'll use that later. I took the roux off of the heat and added the garlic and the onion and the bell pepper and the remaining seasoning that I had and a bay leaf. We're gonna stir it all in there. So then we add it back to the heat and just kind of stir it constantly until all of our veggies are softened. I mean, this smell is incredible. And I haven't really done anything bad. I just got vegetables and some oil and flour. But it smells amazing. I had fish stock warming, and I just took half a cup of it and added it into the vegetables and the roux. We stir all of that together. And after I add in the fish stock, I add in a tablespoon of tomato paste. Stir that all together. So our vegetables and fish stock and everything have kind of thickened up. So I've taken it off the heat and I put it on the back burner, and now we're going to deal with the fish. I added half a stick of butter, melted it, and then added all of my seasoned fish. While the fish is cooking, add green onions. Flip it on the other side, and it should look delicious like this. After the fish has finished cooking, we add the other half a stick of butter to the pan with the veggies, and the remaining fish stock, which is about a cup, we add that to the mixture and stir it all together. I made a pot of rice, and we add the étouffée to the rice. My plating is not everything at 3 in the morning, but this flavor really is. It's spicy, it's flavorful, it's amazing. Once again, from the Jubilee cookbook, you need to get it if you don't have it.